If you're looking for an easier way to get your bike on the stand, today we've got your solution. This is the adjustable lift stand from Tusk. All right, so if you are looking for an easier way to get your bike on your stand, so maybe you're a shorter rider like myself, you can't get enough leverage, or maybe when it just comes down to strength, you don't have enough, especially after you've been riding, well, this adjustable lift stand from Tusk is your solution. With this, you do not have to lift your bike up anymore. All you do is simply slide this underneath your bike and it does most of the work for you. So the way these are constructed is they're made from steel, so they're gonna last you a very long time. Nice big base. The platform has an anti-slip rubber piece on top. And the way these work is really simple. So when you get it, just keep in mind it's gonna come disassembled. So you're gonna put it together. It takes about maybe 10 or 15 minutes max. All the bolts, all the hardware comes included. But once you have it put together, okay, this platform here is actually adjustable. So at its very lowest point, you're gonna be 9 inches tall, and then at this thing's tallest point, you're gonna be 17.5 inches. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna adjust it. You can see that the platform here actually threads into the base. So you're just gonna either tighten it or loosen it, get it to the height you want, and then you have this locking ring that's also on there. So once you have the height set, you're just gonna lock this down, get it nice and snug. So once you've got that all set up, you got your height correct, to get this to lift up your bike, it's very simple. You're just gonna slide it underneath the bike, and then once you've done that, you're gonna take your foot, put it on this lever here, step down, and that's gonna raise your bike up. And I'm telling you right now, it does not take a whole lot of force to get this to raise the bike up. It is very simple to do. And then when you're ready to let the bike down, all you have to do, you could do it with your hand if you want to. I just actually take my toe of my boot, put it underneath, and then I will lift up. Now doing it on the table, I have to use some force to lift up. But when you have the weight of the bike on here, as soon as you start to lift that up, it will just fall down nice and easily. Last little thing that I do want to point out, as you can see right here, you have this little tray. So if you are doing some work on your bike while you have this on the stand, you can take your nuts, your bolts, your screws, you just put them right there in that little tray. So again, if you're looking for an easy way to get your bike up off the ground, you don't want to have to lift it onto your stand, this is an awesome route to take. Also, I love the price point on these. If you guys do have any other questions about these, leave your comments below. Give us a call, chat live online. We will get your questions answered. To pick yours up, you can click on the link at the end of this video. If you like this little product spotlight video, do not hesitate. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are constantly rolling out product spotlights like you saw today. How-to videos, bike builds, you name it, we got it. I'm Chaser Rocky Mountain. See you on the trails.